As you can see, it's saying add water. I've just turned it on. Just moving out. As you can see, plenty of water in the tank there. So I push it in. It still says water, and you can see it clicks there. It's as flush as it can be. I can't push it anymore, and it still says add water. So again, pull it out. I think the issue is with this connector, this here on the tank, and there's that kind of thing there. It clearly is not, when I push it in, it's not connecting correctly, and therefore the sensor must be thinking there's no water. But again, all I have to do here is push the tank in. You can see I've even pushing the machine back, so I can't push that any further, and it's still saying add water. If I push hard on there, I can't push any harder, still says add water, but you can see, you see there now, so with pressure on there, and it's even now saying add water, and I'm still pushing hard as I can on this container. It's still saying add water, and obviously if I let go, it's not doing anything. I'll just prove again. Pull out. Still loads of water in there. Push, click. Add water still remains.